Hi, welcome to Xulendo. My name is Dave Mumba and I'll be taking you through our Xulendo video tutorial series. We decided to record these instructional videos as an extensive guide for our users to seamlessly navigate the platform, fully use it, utilize its features to meet their needs, and also improve their user experience. So what is Xulendo and why should you use it? Xulendo is a digital education platform developed with love by Next Generation Africa with a purpose to improve teaching and learning in secondary schools in Malawi. Xulendo is well thought, designed, and developed with amazing features to meet the needs of different students and teachers. You want to try it? Start using Xulendo in your teaching, learning, and any other education purpose today. For more information on the developments and updates on Xulendo, follow Next Generation Africa on Instagram, X, Facebook, and on our website on nextgenerationafrica.org. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.